everything is hybrid. You know, even the kale, they say, oh, eat kale, but kale is hybrid. You have hybrid kale, you have hybrid lettuce, you have hybrid avocado, everything have hybrid. Right, so it's not really about hybrid and low breed. Right, it's about understanding what you're getting from what you're eating.
Ja Rastafaro. Blessings of Wholeness family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akeem Pierre. If you're new, welcome to The Vibe. Today, we're celebrating the master teacher, Honorable Priest Kailash. He's been a really powerful presence in my life, teaching me about the herbs and just embodying what it looks like to be a man and to step into your potential and how to love yourself. So it was his Earthday this week. So we do a 7-day celebration. So we're going to be celebrating him today. And this video is going to be talking about alkaline foods and hybrid foods, or whether it's a myth or it's a reality. And this talk was after one of the cooking demonstrations at our Beyond Wellness retreat, which is a herbal healing retreat that we host up in the Mount Kailash mountains of Saint Lucia. And it also coincides with a talk that he's going to be having in London this week from October 18th to the 20th. There's going to be 3 lectures, and he's going to be talking about alkaline myth, alkaline foods, whether it's a myth or a reality. And it's a potent one. Y'all going to see in this video a lot of value. And this is just a little bit of the snippet of the whole conversation and of the conversations that we have every day when we're up in the mountains during our retreat. So y'all going to get a special taste in this one. And if you have the opportunity to go to London and to feel the vibe live in person, live and direct, I'm telling y'all, you want to go. You don't want to miss this. It's a rare opportunity to just take that embodied energy. It's not someone who's just talking about herbs from the books. It's like he's living around the herbs. His toes are around the herbs every day. So it's a very powerful, really special opportunity. That's London, October 18th, 19th, and 20th. And I know personally, I'm going to be bringing out Priest Kailash next year. So I'm excited for that. But until then, if you're in London, go check it out. If you're not, full joy this video and send love to Honorable Priest Kailash. You know, he has his own channel that you can go subscribe to. And just show love to our master teachers. Show love to our elders while they're here. The great people that we have on the earth. While they're here, they're still great. We don't have to wait for a tragedy or something to happen to really show love. So I'm sending my love, sending my roses to the honorable teacher, and full joy this video. I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Do you use carrots?
Personally, no.
Hybrid, right?
It's not a hybrid, it's like a stash. If you blend it and you just look at the bottom of it, it's stash. Which food is not hybrid, man? Everything is hybrid. You know, even the kale, they say, oh, eat kale, but kale is hybrid. You have hybrid kale, you have hybrid lettuce, you have hybrid avocado, everything have hybrid. Right, so it's not really about hybrid and low breed. Right, it's about understanding what you're getting from what you're eating. And then also based upon your specific location. Right, so I might be in London and I'm walking by the train tracks. And I can get wild blueberries, wild red raspberries, all these things wild growing. Like the train tracks, wild, like blackberries. Right now the red raspberry leaf is very rich in iron. Right, so if you are in that space, you could use red raspberry leaf, red raspberry fruit. You don't have to go and eat something somebody sell you and it grows all the way in South America. And if it doesn't come in the boat, then you're starving because you have a list of 5 foods that you have to eat from.
Yes.
Right? So there are millions and millions of herbs that are wild. Like millions, like billions of species that are wild growing out there that people don't even know about. Right? So I'm not the one that believes in one list of herbs. So that's the alkaline list. I don't believe that. Right? There are herbs that the people that say that they are alkaline they don't even know about. And if they come to Saint Lucia and say, but you know what herb is that? No, they don't know. It's not on the list, I'm not going to use it. But that herb is an authentic, original, ancient herb. And for the trees, right? So there's nothing like alkaline and this is not, you know, all the 99.9% of all the food you buy from a supermarket, they're hybrids. Right? So if you really want to be like a wild person, you have to go in the wild, right, and eat wild, okay, wild foods, and you can do that, and it's better for you. Yeah, right. So then If it is that you are in the city and you want to eat broccoli or you want to eat lettuce or you have to understand the food science whereby you could combine your foods and deal with your foods in a way that's wholesome to you. Right? Not restricting yourself to particular guidelines that get you sick. Because many people get sick. They just dry up because they can't get none of this and none of that, and they dry it up. When the wind blows, they go this way, and the wind blows. Alright, so you have to be true to science and true to yourself, right? I mean, the best way is to eat what you grow. It's the best way. Right? And even when you grow stuff, and you use, let's say you're growing carrots, okay, you're growing carrots because you don't have a choice and you only have carrots. Okay, then you could feed the carrot with stinging nettle tea. Right, so you could literally boil the stinging nettle and soak it up to extract the ingredients and pour it around the roots of the carrot. Right, so the carrot feeds upon the
nutrients?
The nutrients. So it absorbs it so that your plant gets what's in the soil. Right, so even if it's high in starch, but yet still you get lots of the nutrients that you have to feed it. Alright, so all these things are things that you're supposed to have a full understanding of. Because you could be planting something alkaline in an acidic soil or toxic soil, and then you're killing yourself. You know, so the same way it was if like vegan, vegan, and then you still drink Coke, right? And you still drink soda.
Diet Coke.
You're Diet Coke, and you're vegan, right? So all these fads, these are fads, right? So it's about self-love and consuming things with overstanding. I'm not a vegan. A vegan is a religion, right? So I'm not a vegan. Right? Not a vegan, no. That's why we don't say live it eat vegan restaurant. It's a food of 7 ital restaurant. Right? But live it eat, just live it eat foods. Just know it's plant based. Right? So not vegan or not religious.
Blessed love, y'all. Give thanks for tuning in. If you full enjoyed that video, make sure you check out the other videos on my channel and make sure you subscribe because we return it every week with that high grade healing information. Much love. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Ja Rastafaro.